RG Tech Computer Tutorials.
Hello YouTube! Once again, this is Argitech TV. In this video, I will show you what are the 3 emergency key. Well, it sounds like emergency key.
Oh no!
Okay, an emergency keys that can useful to help you when your computer or laptop is freezing, hang, rendering slow, or any app that not responding. But before we proceed, I would take this opportunity to ask for your support. Kindly hit a like and subscribe, and also press the bell button so you will get notified for my upcoming videos. Okay, so let's move on to our topic. So let me first open one of my application that uses more RAM on my computer. And just to show you, for example, I load a house model in it. It's a 3D house model. And take note about this software, guys. I might teach you this later, but not for now. It is important to know what are the basic tips and tricks, so you can easily overcome if your computer faces a future problem. So listen guys, when your computer or laptop gets stuck and your computer not working at all in the middle of urgent works, it is disgusting, right? I think it's better if I open first my virtual keyboard here, so you can see the movements on my keys. So there it is. Okay, so the 3 emergency button is Control, Alt, and Delete. So you press that simultaneously, as you can see, and it came up this kind of a screen. And what you're gonna do is hold over your mouse and select Task Manager, and it will open up the Task Manager window here. And now you can easily determine which application is mostly eating your RAM, your random access memory. Let's say, for example, the one application I've opened before, I've launched before. If you remember, this SketchUp application is for example, this one is not responding, and as you can see now, is uses more RAM here. It's around 400 megabytes. Then what we're gonna do is point over your mouse over this application to select, and then click End Task over here to force close this application. And that's option called Task Killer. And as you can notice now, this application now is closed. And the good thing in this Task Manager window is you can view all application running on the real time, as well as you can easily manage what application you want to run. And of course, you can close application temporarily to maximize the speed of your computer. The good thing in this Windows 10 is they added a startup section here, so you don't need to run the msconfig like on the previous platform, like in Windows 7. And here you can disable now your background processes, the application which running on the background you didn't know. And take note guys, an startup application is automatically run right after the boot, so mostly you can feel that your computer can take a lot of time before it's ready to use. In this startup section, you can set which application you want to run, and of course there's also a slider option here to disable what application you don't want to run in the background. And for additional information guys, you can also clear your temporary folder for better performance, and you can watch that full tutorial I mentioned in the link above this video. Okay guys, let me know in your comments suggestion what struggles you a lot, and I try to solve on the next video. And if you found this video interesting with you, kindly hit a like and a subscribe, and thank you for watching.